Hi, my name is Shari De Silva. I'm the Chief Curator of the Jeffrey Barber Trust. Here this weekend as part of our 4-day workshop titled All Right Angles at Lunuganga. The workshop is supported by the UNIC cluster in Sri Lanka, together with Colombo in Jaffna and Colombo Scope. And it's a collaborative effort that is building on the Trust's program at Lunuganga, which has had this long history of artists and architects intervening and engaging with the garden, and each time changing the way we understand and interact with it. And that is a tradition that we've taken very seriously in the present curatorial work. We've had projects like The Gift in 2019, the ongoing To Lunuganga project, which has built on this tradition of people from all over the world, makers from all over the world, coming and engaging with the garden. And as part of that, to have younger artists and architects and visual practitioners is really key. There's really no place quite like Lunuganga in Sri Lanka, maybe even anywhere in the world. It's a place that provides a lot of inspiration, and it can also be unpacked through so many layers, and that is a big part of what we're trying to uncover over these 4 days. We're looking at, for example, the garden as an archive. Our team from the Jeffrey Barber Trust presenting the archives and the different ways we're trying to uncover what actually constitutes our archives. We'll also have Umeshi Rajeendra doing a movement workshop. A big highlight for us is that through the support of UNIC, we've been able to bring Setareh Noorani, who is a curator and researcher at the New Institute in Rotterdam. Setareh brings with her a wealth of knowledge, but also of methodologies for engaging with archives and engaging with histories that we hope will engage this very young group of makers to be able to interact with places, with histories, and in a way that is generative to their own practices, in ways that maybe are unfamiliar to us or will help us look at wider perspectives.